Okay. Terez. No, Terez. This is no.
Alright.
This is the bulldog headlock. With the bulldog headlock, pressing. Hit a person. Stop shaking the.
Alright, come on.
Okay. So first, you put your elbow right on the side of his neck and close your arm around it. Put his head in your armpit. And then you put your arm over his back. You set this leg back. So you twist it and pull. You want to get a good, firm hold. Now I'm going to do it in fast motion and get this guy to do it on me. See if he learns anything.
Yay.
So, I'm going to do it fast motion first.
Yay.
But you're going to get hurt first.
Whoa.
Whee! Now your turn. We're doing it slow-mo.
Okay, so wait. What's that dog up to?
You stick.
Like that?
Yeah.
Like that?
You're over it without his fingers.
Not cool!
You like that? I win! Okay, that's it. That's bulldog.